All right, guys, so we're here today at KB Homes. We're gonna be showing you guys 3 model homes today. We're gonna be showing you guys what you guys can get, going over what they have here. So the ones that we're gonna be touring right now, this is gonna be the big boy right here that they have. They come with different options, but this one's gonna be low 600s, and then we got some around mid 500s. So we're in the city of Lake Elsinore right now. So you can tell these are gonna be the empty lots here. They got some built already. So a huge community. We know KB Homes, they're really well known. They've been around for a long time. This is the big boy. I like what they did here in the front. So one thing with these homes, they're not gonna look like this. KB Homes, they're known for their upgrades. So just so you guys know. So this one's 2,528 square feet. This one's gonna be 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, but you do have the option to upgrade to 5 to 6 bedrooms. This is gonna be one of the lower ones here. So basic bedroom, but like I said, the other ones, they do have the option to be bigger. They can go up to about 2,800 square feet. We got the restroom, full restroom there. I really like the layout here, what they did. Stairs is not taking up too much space there. So we got the living room, kitchen, dining area. Again, they're not gonna come like this. It's gonna come real basic with the flooring. Cabinets, you gotta upgrade to all of this. Typically, if you want something like this, a sink, it's gonna be something that you gotta pay for, upgrade, right? They have the water saving fixtures, right? So this is a pretty cool setup, something you can upgrade to. No access to the garage, no access. So yeah, guys, this one's pretty good. We can actually walk to the back. Most new builds you can't. This one, they're letting us. So again, they most likely won't have anything like this, a covered patio, right? This is just something that you have to upgrade to. They have a turf that you can upgrade. I wanna know your guys' thoughts on the hills in the back. So we get a lot of hills in the back. Personally, I don't really care for hills. I just feel like they take up a big amount of space. Lots here are around 10,000 square feet, I do believe. Yeah. Don't be running into any doors. So some incentives that we have here are gonna be 10,000 towards closing costs right now. So let's go check it out. Bring it to the top. I'm gonna be winded after jogging up. Don't get the booty, man. Don't get the booty, bro. It's nice and sweaty right now. Come join me. So I don't know about you guys, but I really enjoy these loft areas that they have at these newer homes. The older homes don't have this, right? You're up in the second floor and it's all bedrooms. So I really enjoy these. It's like an extra family space here. So really nice. Catch my breath. Think we're good? We're gonna move on? Yeah. All right. This is, for not being the master, this is a really good sized room up here. This really is. So again, this one's gonna be the 4 bedrooms. They do have 5 and 6 options. So they're gonna be a little bit higher in price, obviously. You got the nice little laundry area. Full restroom here that's gonna be shared. Let's go into the master. We got the master bedroom, good size. I love these windows. Closet right behind it. Check it out. So one thing you're looking at homes, you want to really worry about layout. Layout's going to be super important. A lot of people buying these homes, if they're not looking to move out of state, they're going to be here for a long time. So make sure that you like the layout when you're choosing it. Good. Oh my gosh. So Big Boy Rob, they will come with this, but it'll be super basic. Should I just turn it on? See if it turns on?
No, don't turn it on.
Wait. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna be able to get up. So guys, when you're choosing your bath.
Big boy, you can fit in there.
Yeah. So this is just an example. Like if you're a big dude, you'll be fine. Like we got.
You can have your husband out, man.
Maybe. Can my wife fit in here? Yeah, she's pretty little. I think she could fit in here. Dang, you got me all excited, bro. You seen the little shoulder going up right there? Dude, don't do that to me. My wife's not even here right now. It's just me and you in the restroom. This is getting a little awkward. But okay, now Big Rob has to get up. Ugh. But you can shower while someone's bathing. I mean, I don't know. It depends on how cool you guys are. I hope you guys are married too. Don't be sinners. We didn't see this one, but we went straight. But yeah, it's a basic room, right? Closet space. Again, guys, not gonna come. It is not gonna come with this furniture. So some that are furnishing them now, right? Like just buy the place the way it is. Anything's negotiable. So yeah, this is gonna be one of the plans here. We're gonna do a video of all of them. So let's go to the next one.
Go.
All right, guys. So we're walking into the next one, the next plan. So you guys, I don't know if you guys can see here, but these are the prices starting at low 530, 540, basically up to 660 or so. And that's not with upgrades. So once you get all the upgrades in, you know, it's gonna be looking a lot better. But I really love what they did here, the community. They're not so tight, right? As you can tell, they do have some good space in between it. What's the lot sizes on these guys?
It looks like probably like
10,000?
maybe like 6,000 to 10,000, something close to that.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a big difference, but it's okay.
That's a lot.
Okay. Watch your step, Justin.
Thank you, sir.
We got model 2206 on this one.
What does that mean? How many square feet?
Yeah, that is the square footage, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. KB Homes. Personally, whoa. Personally, I love this one. Like, this is gonna be my favorite one just because of the layout. It's single story, so you don't have to worry too much about, you know, what's going on. They do offer the island, I believe, in this one. They're gonna have that as an upgrade. Got the good music in here. This is like, it feels like homey. You walk in here and it's homey in here.
I think it's the couch. The bed.
You think so?
I like the furniture.
Yeah, I think so too. So let's check it out. So for landscaping, it's all about water conservation right now. With the droughts going in California, they want to conserve as much water, so they're doing the turf. They're doing those style where you're not growing too much grass. The grass is a no-go in California right now. So yeah, no, this is good stuff.
Talk about the energy conservation.
Yeah, so what this basically means, right? Typically, these are going to be a little bit higher. Now your cost is going to be a little bit lower because the house is going to be smaller. Also, the insulation that they use in California, you need to have solar. You need to have solar in California. So with the newer homes only, that's what I'm saying. So they have solar, and also they have these smart thermostats. So let's go to the master. It's okay, Sandra, you can come out in the video. It's not a crazy one. We got Sandra. Everyone say hi to Sandra. Hey, Sandra. She's one of our team members. So we're just, again, all previewing these homes. We got the master. It's really nice in here. So plan 2206, starting at the high 500s on this one. This one's either 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 baths. So again, you have options with new builds. This is not how you're gonna get it like the ones in Menifee. We did the one in Menifee. Check those videos out. Check out the videos in Menifee. We're gonna have a link on here so you can check them out. Different type of homes, right? Different areas. They're only about 25 minutes away. Whoa! What is this?
The vanity.
A vanity in the restroom?
Where else would you put a vanity?
I mean,
It's for your wife to do makeup and stuff.
gotcha. So makeup stuff. Yeah, these closets are not that big. Whoa, hey. Is this gonna fit Big Boy Rob? This is pretty close. They knew I was coming, dude. They knew I was coming, so what size is this?
Smiling like your first day of school.
Yeah, bro, this is like extra jacked. That's the size, and I think I fit it.
Water closet.
Yeah, so they got the pooping station there. Guys, we have a lot of fun with these videos, but you're getting an idea of what you can get here in the city of Lake Elsinore. I love what they did here. We got a pantry area here.
Don't be. You've had too much of those.
Bro, my boy over here said I got two. Dude.
Does my voice show up on the video?
Maybe a little bit. It's going to be a little faded, but.
You should mic me up.
Yeah, we should actually.
That's a good idea.
On the next one. I don't want him part of the video. What kind? So we got washer dryer here. They should at least have the washer dryer. Come on, KB Homes. If you're watching
This is the front entrance. Why don't you tell them, like...
Yeah, well, going into it, I kind of like how it's all separated, right? We go in here, got the front entrance, we got the full bath here. It's kind of away from the house, so I mean, away from the living area. I don't like when like the restroom's like right next to the family area. Yeah, because if you got guests and they got a little gassy, you know, they gotta like, you know, flush the toilet, put the sink on.
Like you can hear it.
Yeah, you can hear everything. So, basic room here. I mean, they like to make it look like boys, right? Oh wow, they're being gender specific.
Don't go there.
How dare they? Why can't we go there, bro? This is our YouTube. We can say whatever we want, man. No, but I really enjoy these houses. They got closet space, and then we got some basic rooms over here. Nothing too crazy.
Oh, that one has a bathroom. Oh, no, it doesn't.
So you can put your least favorite child here in this room because it's closest, like, so nobody should be breaking into your house, but if they are, they're gonna take this kid first, so just beware. Just beware. We're gonna go to the next home. This is actually my favorite one, guys. So if you guys have any questions, again, on these homes, they're doing $10,000 credit. They come with solar. They are gonna have some type of HOA, so we can put that detail in the description. Let's go to the next one. After me. All right. Don't trip, man. So the next one we're gonna go to 1,751 square feet. Eddie's still here. He said he was gonna leave. So this one's attached to the office here, but we're just gonna go in. This one's gonna be the smallest one. Hopefully they're not recording here.
This is my favorite.
So this is Justin's favorite. I don't know why.
I like the inside.
The inside's okay. It's a little bit smaller.
One, but I like the inside.
Yeah, so this one's gonna be mid 500s.
I like the layout on this one.
Yeah. So you walk in, right? You got 2 bedrooms right away. I don't know how I feel about that. Got 2 bedrooms right away. We got a full bath here, so they can share. Again, boys and girls rooms. I like it. I like it. I swing big. Look at that.
Dang, that's motivational.
I swing with everything I've got. Let's read this off. Hold on. Where you going? Where you going? Ready? I swing big. I swing with everything. I hit big or I miss big. Wow. It's hard to be a person who never gives up. Yesterday home runs don't win today's games. I wish I wasn't dyslexic, and it's not on there, but because I'm having trouble reading it. Baseball was, is, and always will be the best game in the world. That was Babe Ruth. I don't believe that. I think football is, that's just my personal opinion, or golf. But
This is horrible for audience retention.
no, it's great. Every strikeout brings me closer to the next home run. Come on, let's go to the next one. This is great. Don't tell me what's bad, bro. This is my YouTube video. All right. Look at this. Justin doesn't want me to run it the way I want to run it. Want to be gender specific, and we're not going to go there. Okay. We got laundry room. We got open space. Again, guys.
I hate that.
No,
I don't like.
I kind of like it because it's not too far. I hate like having to travel to go to do my laundry, or if it's upstairs, I'm breathing hard. I mean, there's no upstairs here, but I'm breathing hard.
I just like the layout of this one. I like the layout of the kitchen. I like the island.
Yeah, it's a little bit more tight though. We got a little bit more tight right here.
I mean, it's smaller.
Yeah, I'm sweating, bro. I shouldn't have drank that Monster. I feel like my chest is like my heart's about to rip out of my chest. Oh yeah. Don't look at the sink. Don't. Wow. Take a little sip of that. Come on, get some energy, man. And then we got the master over here. Literally, bro, I'm getting like woozy. I shouldn't drink that. And then we got a full bath here. I absolutely love these. So really nice homes. This is going to be one of the smaller plans. They do have more models. We're going to be checking them out. Guys, if you're looking to sell your home in LA County, San Diego County, Riverside and all that, or we are in Riverside County, and then to come buy a home here, we want to be able to help you out. Subscribe, like, and then send this to somebody that wants to see this. I'm sweating. All right, let's go.